His reason always, it's for the meantime. There's a lot of for the meantime in his head, like it's ridiculous. Hi guys, good morning. It's already 7 o'clock and I really have a bad cramps. My husband put the 2 chair outside and we've been sitting there, and I decided I'm gonna cook some breakfast because I need to take my Midol before I take any medicine. I have to eat something to put something on my stomach, and yeah, so I'm eating my bread. I'm gonna make egg and pancakes and butter, and I wear sweater guys because it's freezing cold in this area. Freezing cold for me, hon. Why? You want me to say it's really hot?
Well, freezing means below 30.
It's freezing for me. I wear socks also. The freezing is an expression. The cold is normal. What?
Freezing cold is below 32 degrees.
Oh, pain, a pain, a pain, a pain.
Maybe night.
Yeah. Right now, hon, I'm in pain, not feeling it. How do you like the chair?
It rocks, it turns. Better than it's a stationary chair. And when you want to talk to somebody who's on the other side, you gotta lift it up and move it just turn.
Egg. Before I'm gonna make the one that I get, guys, the pancake, I'm gonna use this first. The Aunt G Mima. So this is our breakfast.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
I came back late, because we've been doing outside and it's already 3 o'clock. Yeah, 3 o'clock, and my husband went back over there to clean up all the walls. And anyway, I'm just checking this thing again. It's leaking again under the sink. It's leaking in this area here. That where is the big sink is. And yeah, it's leaking.
It won't link to this. Maybe because it's linked to one of the other house. But it should just relink to this. It's just not good.
For the motion thing?
It's not for motion. This
The
is
lights?
electric.
Oh, electric. He's wet because he's doing the water outside. But I'm going back out later, guys, to pick up all that because I trim all the bushes. So there is a lot of dirt in the ground. I will pick it up because I don't want to just leave it out there. Gardener doesn't really want to pick it up, and I don't understand. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. I get up 2 o'clock this morning. I don't know, my camera, this camera, I think it's not the camera's problem, it's my SD card, the SD card that I have here. I've been filming the whole day yesterday, and for some reason, it's not in there. I don't know. That SD card I have to change. The SD card is empty, period, but the camera storage have some old photos, the one that I took, you know, the old stuff. But the camera, for some reason, is not taking any, the SD card, for some reason, is not taking any, you know, like, thing. I think it's broken or something. I think it's going to rain, guys. I don't know if you can tell. It's very cloudy. I'll show you outside. Good morning. Good morning, guys. I have to open the can. Good morning again, guys. Good morning. It's a nice morning. It's very nice. It's foggy a little bit. But it's cloudy. The sun is not out. Kinda dirty, so I have to clean it up. There is like from how do you call that? From the broken knife, so clean it up because a black plastic. The water is right here. Oh my god, it's so foggy out there, guys. Why is it so foggy? Look, I still have my stuff on the yard. I never took it. Took it. I never put it in the bag. I'm very creepy right now. But let's see if we can see through these glasses. Okay, the way they're harvesting, they cut the branches to, you know, because there's so many branches. And did you see the ladder? Yeah, that's a lot of apples, guys. Okay, hold on, guys, hold on. There's more apples here. Did you see that? There's a lot of freaking apples. For some reason, today is so different day. It's so weird. Since this morning, it's really freaking weird. Like, I don't know why it becomes so weird. I'm just gonna put all this thing because my husband file up everything in here, and that's the problem here. Start filing it and we get used to it and we just kind of ignore it, and then we just leave it like that, and I don't want that to happen. And he keeps saying that for the meantime, and he has a lot. His reason always, it's for the meantime. There's a lot of for the meantime in his head, like it's ridiculous for the meantime. So I'm not gonna make it for the meantime. I'm said for the meantime, make it clean and forever clean.
What?
Oh God, why my husband is such a pain? Why he's such a pain, cutie? A pain. Churros! Where is churros? I want churros now. How are you? I miss you. Oh, we have ice cream later. I'm not gonna eat rice later. I will eat salad. Then later I have ice cream. I can't eat rice because rice makes me really full. God, guys. So I can have ice cream later tonight. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm just gonna clean up, guys. It's kind of boring day. nothing's really going on. There's a lot of boxes everywhere. Let me go outside and check again that catcher. I'll show you. There's nothing. There's no bees. That's the one I told you guys. There's a lot of bees in that one. And there is died, guys. Oh, they're there. They are there. The other one went out. It's inside. The other one went out. But there is a hole over there. I guess he died finally. Don't know how to get out. You see the inside? There's one inside. And there is one in here too. Look. Oh my god, there's a lot of bugs. You see that? I see a lot of bugs. It's kinda nice outside. I've been on my YouTube writing what I'm going to film for my other channel, because in my other channel I haven't uploaded any video, and I like to upload that. I like to maintain that channel. So I decided in the few weeks from now, hoping I'm doing something. I'm purchasing something that I really been wanting to have, because that I can use that thing to that channel. But I'm not sure yet. I'm not gonna mention it yet. But I'm gonna, hopefully, fingers crossed that we can get it. But yeah, so. And I still have this mosquito bites. It's crazy, guys. Look at it. It's big and it's itching me too bad. I wanna sit down outside too. I can charge phone outside. That's a good thing about this house. There's a lot of outlets. There's a lot of outlets in this house, except the basement. There's none. Zero. So I don't even paint over here yet. Oh my goodness, I'm too lazy, guys. I'm too lazy lately. It's 5 o'clock already, and I'm having my dinner. The dinner is just salad alone. It's very green, fresh, and I know it's not healthy to have this, but my husband would rather to use the vinegar, the lemon, the salt, but I'm gonna have the Caesar dressing, rich and savory. So I'm gonna have it. Oh my goodness. It is very healthy looking, guys, but believe me, later it's gonna be I'm having ice cream. I can't wait for the ice cream. Checking the videos, guys, if it's okay. I tried to upload that today, but it wasn't work because it's just internet here can't carry any uploading videos. So I'm just gonna do it and make a thumbnail for tomorrow when I get home. It's ready. So yeah, that's the grill, guys, that I showed you that all the clips are gone. So that's it. That's the grill, and there's something on top of it. I washed it already. So yeah, that's it. It's really dark now, guys. 8 o'clock, and I'm going upstairs. I'm going to shut the light off, guys. So it's very nice outside. Usually before, I used to go upstairs early, like 6 o'clock, because I don't want to get dark and I'm downstairs. No, I like to spend time over there and do outside, and so it's different. It's now I'm very comfortable in my own home, which is good. I like to have a little bit lights in the room, and I will call it a night. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna go to bed and I'm going to shut the light off soon. And yeah, I'm just gonna end this vlog, and thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do, and I really appreciate it. Bye. Good night, guys. Bye bye. Ooh. It is dark. So this is what I'm watching, guys. And yeah, so thumbs up, guys, if you like my video, and hit subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. Bye. Bye guys, bye. Bye guys, it's really dark. Bye. You.